Hello there. I'm Surab, your guide to the digital world. In today's age of technology, the digital marketplace has opened up a plethora of opportunities. Online businesses are booming, and for good reason. Today, we'll be exploring the 5 best online businesses that you can start as a beginner in 2024. These options provide a solid footing for anyone eager to embark on their entrepreneurial journey. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of online entrepreneurship. The first online business on our list is dropshipping. Now you might be wondering, what is dropshipping? Well, it's a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. As a result, the seller doesn't have to handle the product directly. This model is particularly appealing to beginners because it's easy to get started, requires less capital, and minimizes the risk since you don't have to buy the product until it's already been sold. Plus, it's flexible. You can run your business from anywhere with an internet connection, but like any business model, dropshipping isn't without its challenges. Some disadvantages include lower profit margins due to competition, shipping complexities, and issues with supplier errors. Despite these challenges, many entrepreneurs have found success with dropshipping. Take the story of Erwin Dominguez, for instance. In just 8 months, he was able to build a dropshipping business that generated over $1 million in sales. Or consider the tale of Justin Wong, who started a dropshipping business while studying at university and managed to turn it into a 6-figure income stream. With minimal financial risk and unlimited profit potential, dropshipping is definitely an online business worth considering. It's a fantastic way to dip your toes into the world of e-commerce without the need for large upfront investments or extensive inventory. Moving on to the second online business, affiliate marketing. It's an advertising model where a company pays compensation to third-party publishers to generate traffic or leads to the company's products and services. The third-party publishers, also known as affiliates, only receive a commission when they successfully sell products or services on behalf of the company. Ideal for beginners, affiliate marketing requires minimal startup costs and offers the potential for significant income. You don't need to create a product or a service, just promote and sell what already exists. However, it's not all sunshine and roses. The challenges include building a good quality website, creating engaging content, and developing an audience base. It can also take time to see substantial earnings. But let's not forget the success stories. Many individuals have built profitable businesses through affiliate marketing, leveraging the power of the internet to earn a passive income. With the ability to earn passive income, affiliate marketing is another lucrative online business for beginners. The third online business we will discuss is online course creation. In today's digital world, knowledge is not only power, but it can also be your business. The process of creating and selling online courses is a fantastic way to share your expertise and earn an income. It's an ideal online business for beginners because it only requires your knowledge and a platform to share it. The advantages are numerous. You can work from any location, set your own prices, and the potential for passive income is significant. However, it's worth noting that the market can be competitive, and it requires a significant investment of time and effort to create high-quality courses. Success stories abound in this field. People with expertise in everything from programming to pottery have transformed their skills into lucrative online courses. For instance, a yoga instructor from Australia now earns a 6-figure income from her online yoga course. With the potential to share your knowledge and skills with the world, online course creation is an online business that can bring both financial and personal satisfaction. The fourth online business is blogging. Imagine having a platform that allows you to voice your thoughts, share your knowledge, and interact with people from all around the world. That's what blogging does. It's a digital journal where you can write about anything that sparks your interest. For beginners, it's a great way to kickstart your journey in the online world. You don't need any specialized skills, just a passion for writing and a topic you're enthusiastic about. But like any business, blogging has its ups and downs. On the upside, it offers flexibility, creative freedom, and the potential for passive income. On the downside, it may take time to build an audience and start earning. Take the example of Ariana Huffington, who started a small blog that eventually became the Huffington Post, or Pete Cashmore, who created Mashable from his bedroom. These are just two of the many success stories in the blogging world. With the potential to express your thoughts and ideas to a global audience, blogging is an online business that combines creativity and profitability. Last but not least, the fifth online business is freelancing. Imagine being your own boss, setting your own hours, and choosing the projects that resonate with you. That's the life of a freelancer. Freelancing is a form of self-employment where you provide services to clients on a project basis. It's an excellent choice for beginners because it allows you to hone your skills while earning income. Freelancing has its advantages, including flexibility, control over your workload, and the potential for higher earnings. Of course, there are challenges. You'll need to continuously find new clients, manage your own taxes, and handle all aspects of your business. But let's look at the bright side. There are countless success stories out there. People who started from scratch, built a client base, and are now earning a substantial income. With the freedom to work on your own terms, freelancing is an online business that offers flexibility and financial independence. That concludes our list of the 5 best online businesses for beginners. We've looked at dropshipping, a low-risk model that allows you to sell products directly from the manufacturer. Then there's affiliate marketing, where you earn a commission for promoting other people's products. We've also talked about online course creation. If you've got a skill or knowledge that others might find valuable, why not monetize it? Blogging, our 4th point, is a great way to express your passion and make money through advertising and sponsored content. And finally, freelancing. With a wide range of skills in demand, you can offer your services to clients all over the world. Now, it's over to you. It's time to take what you've learned and put it into action. Remember, the best time to start is now, so take the first step and embark on your online entrepreneurship journey today. This is Saurabh signing off. Until next time, keep hustling.